In today's video, it goes way beyond solving a rat infestation. Just take a moment. Picture yourself waking up on a beautiful Sunday morning at approximately 5 a.m. You want to take a bike ride to get some exercise and some fresh air until you are struck by a Hummer going 60 miles an hour. And on top of it, it's a hit and run. So you're left on the streets with no help, back broken, spinal injuries. This right here is exactly what happened to our customer, Jeffrey. Hear his story.
I was on my bicycle. I had an H2 Hummer at 60 miles an hour ran right in the back of me. I crushed my lower spine. I have 5 crushed vertebrae. Kylie, it's left me in the street to die. It's destroyed it.
Destroyed your life.
Yeah.
Wow.
So hopefully I can pull this off.
Well, we're here to take care of you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, well, it is what it is.
So this happened 18 years ago. So there's no way in my own heart that I can charge him for this. He hasn't caught a lucky break. But today, he has no idea that everything that we're doing is going to be free. So let's get started and let's get this thing solved for Jeffrey. Got a massive amount of activity. Oh yeah, massive entry point. And look at, they're sitting here just chewing on this wood right here. Yeah, look at the dryer vent. Right into the house. So this leads right inside the walls. So we'll have to put a dryer vent kit on this. All of the crumbs, trash, bananas, all of this stuff has got to go.
Okay, if banana's bad, anyway.
Okay. All right, so there's no holes. So this door is gonna have to stay shut. Where's the attic access? Jeff, thank you.
Right now we're gonna go in, start looking for all the holes and look at the attic.
God, these little rats are a pest, huh?
Yeah, we got some donuts right here. Oh my gosh. So much rat droppings and activity up in this attic. Check it out. Is there a hole? It's on a slab foundation. Oh, look at the activity. Look at the wiring here. Oh, right here. Look at the amount of grease right here. Now check this one out. Yeah. Another hole right there. And this is the side of the house where they're having most of the activity. Wow. And he was telling me that he had other pest controllers out here. One of them wanted to charge him $7,000. The other wanted $12,000 to solve this and sanitize and trap and put bait boxes in. Obviously, he's calling around because he just doesn't have that kind of money. Well, luckily he found us because today is his lucky day. All right, so this is the area where they're getting a lot of the activity inside of their walls. I came to this vent. I did the old snifferoo, and it stinks. And Jeffrey even told me, well, you don't need to be doing all the smoke tests and camera. We already had the pipe lined with an epoxy coating. I said, Jeff, if you want me to guarantee this job and you want me to give you 100% peace of mind that you're rat free, just let me do my process. So if you're a pest controller and you're running around and you're just sealing up holes on the outside, but you're not conducting a smoke test, you're doing a disservice to the industry and homeowners. You're gonna spend a lot more money. And this is why we don't like to deviate. Even though I found those major openings that go into the house, I could have said, oh, that's the entry point. But look guys, I smelled this vent and it smells exactly like rat urine. So let's go ahead and run the camera and let's figure out if we can locate a breach in the system. And right off the bat, there it is. That's the inside of the wall. I'm inside the wall. There's the nest right there. Actually, that's the attic area. So we're right into the attic. That's the insulation right there. If I can smell the rat urine coming off of this is their pheromones. This is an invitation for other rats to just come right down your vent pipes, you guys, and get inside of your attic or your walls. Because as the rodents are exploring, they can smell it. They can smell it. So they go, oh, there must be an entry point. So they dive down your vent pipes, and this is how they get into your attic. So this is a perfect example why you need our rat caps. One size fits all. This is a 2-inch galvanized, so you could put a little bit of silicone and just put that on there just like that. Done.
A few minutes later.
All right, so Vic's getting set up here so we can seal up that other hole. I think we're just gonna pack that in with waterproof concrete, which dries at like 5,000 PSI. So that way you can never, ever get through this opening again. These rats have no idea who showed up. This is going to be big. We got an Orkin guy here. You look like the perfect Orkin guy.
I appreciate that.
Have you been dealing with the rat problem here? Yeah, we just started today. We're gonna seal up all the holes and then get all the trapping done inside. Pretty bad infestation.
Oh yeah?
So these are rat traps.
Weigh it down kind of thing?
No, well yeah, that you could put on insulation dirt, but also more importantly, it guides their heads right into the kill zone every time.
Okay, so
how many jobs have you been on where you see rat traps flip over?
I love many. Yeah, many.
A lot.
Yeah.
How many rat traps have you seen where they steal the bait?
Many as well.
This one here, never. It's a 99% catching rate.
That's nice.
Hi.
Alrighty, you got best of both worlds here. You got Orkin and this gentleman here doing it's so cool. He creates all these. It's amazing. Yeah. So basically during the inspection, they're doing all those entry points here. So that's under control. I'll just look for like nesting areas for rodents and yeah.
Hey Jeff.
He's not with you.
No, they're not with me. No.
No, we got him working on it already.
Yeah, no. Of course, that's fine. Yeah, he's sealing all the entry points here. So what I'm looking for is.
Do you guys have like a monthly service?
Yeah, exactly. So what I was gonna say in your situation, whenever I see rodent activity, I always recommend a rodent repellent. So I just want to see how severe it is and where the rodents are nesting on the property.
We don't really need to, like he is very, very tight on money right now. He's already spending money with us to get all of the stuff done, so we're good.
Yeah, we already hired somebody else. Like, we called and canceled yesterday.
Oh, you called to cancel the inspection?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. He's here, he's gonna handle everything, so you're in good hands. You got some nice stuff you made there.
Okay.
Let me give you one of my free traps. This is a clean trap.
Yeah.
So this is our hoodie.
Right.
And that's our bait tugger right there.
Right. Nice. Yeah,
Thank you so
brother.
much, man.
Yeah, no
Appreciate
stress.
Soon after.
We did find a broken pipe.
Oh yeah?
Found a broken pipe. So with your permission, I'd like to open up the ceiling in the bathroom so I can get that pipe fixed.
Okay.
My heart is broken. What a true gentleman he is.
So behind the sink, I saw a rat back there. He was just chilling back there hiding.
When was this?
Yeah, like just sitting there directly behind the sink.
Okay. Oh yeah, right there. Let's go ahead and seal this up so we can contain them. That way we can contain them up in the ceiling area and they're not going to get in the house. Because once they get in the house, especially with crumbs and food, very, very challenging getting these rats out of here.
What follows is a brief construction montage. We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
Oh, it's right there.
You touched right here. It's right there? Yeah. No way. So what's interesting is the different beliefs and the different methods that we have compared to other companies. And I'm not trying to downplay or talk or bash the pest control industry, but to come into a home like this and charge a customer for a repellent, it's great money, but it does nothing, you guys. Absolutely nothing. Imagine that pipe being left open and then spraying repellent. Not gonna do anything to solve your issue. You're just throwing money away. All right, so the cool part is we just get to loosen up that coupling, drop it back down, and just tighten it back up, and this problem is solved. Done. All right, guys, so we're featuring our new powder-coated magnetic dryer vent. Absolutely amazing. And the reason why is it's completely sealed and it's so much easier to maintain. See, the flap opens wide open, so you have access to actually clean the lint out of your dryer vent. Okay, so let's get this installed. Nice and sealed. You know, compared to these, I can almost guarantee you if you have one of these, harder to maintain, but look up inside, you're gonna see a bunch of lint collects up there, keeping this little door open, that little flap right there. And this is what allows mice and rats to get in, especially at this lower elevation here. So these are truly have been a game changer.
10 seconds later.
All right, so if you're in a home with a lot of contents and possible food source and you're trying to figure out where the rats are hiding, especially if you've sealed everything up, this is an amazing, amazing hack that's just helps us facilitate getting these rats out of your house much faster. So we take a regular bait box, get these for 10 to like 20 bucks. We load up just a little bit of peanut butter, not too much, and then we add a little bit here. And then we take our UV tracking powder and then we're gonna sprinkle it right here in the runways, just like this. And then what we'll do is we'll come back when we do our inspection. You see how it lights up? So let's just say a rat comes through and he's walking up these counters. See how it lights up? So this will tell us exactly where they're hiding, where their nesting spots are inside of this home. Okay, so the rats are getting into this pantry here, right from right here. And we're gonna set some traps up in here, so as they come into here, they're gonna think the traps is the food. Hopefully we'll get them right here. Let's take all those boxes out, yeah. Is that glass?
Yeah, all this is glass. Oh no, not this.
Oh, this, okay.
I'm just gonna leave all this empty plastic here.
So these are the traps that I just gave away to Orkin. But anyhow, here we go, you guys. As you can see, we're not cleaning anything. We're keeping all of this disgusting contamination alone. And we will be setting our traps just like this. And they're actually coming through here as well, which is the second level. So we're gonna add another trap here. All right, so we are fully activated, okay? The other thing is you can take some of our tracking powder as well. Just sprinkle it right when they're gonna be coming out, okay? So we know they're gonna be coming down here, they're gonna hit the tracking powder, and then if they don't take the bait for whatever reason, at least this tracking powder will help us trace out if they are coming out anywhere else inside of the home. So it's truly, truly a game changer. So you can see, got a camera right here.
Yeah,
Pointing directly to the traps.
right.
We're gonna lure them in because we figured out they're coming from the attic. They're coming down here into the pantry getting the food and also inside the house. And then we shut this door and then check out how beautiful that looks. Those are my traps.
Yeah.
I got a surprise for you. Big surprise.
A rat?
Better than that.
Yeah.
This entire job is on me. You're not gonna pay $1 for all the work that we've done.
What?
You touched my heart when you told me about your whole situation,
Yeah.
and I cannot take a dime from you. I gotta do this out of the goodness of my heart. Your story touched me. Everything you've been
I
through.
appreciate that, but that's.
You got it.
I'm not going to allow that to happen.
Well, that just.
We'll talk about that.
Yeah. All right. So I have a Wi-Fi camera pointing down to this bait box here to get an indication if there is anything in this house, and the tracking powder is going to help facilitate how they're migrating around the house. And there's nothing like the Twinzyme. This kills all the bacteria, the odors. It smells so much better. So much better. To be honest with you, this kitchen hasn't been cleaned in probably a year, 2 years. I even took a wipey with our enzyme and wiped down the the oven to get all the crumbs out of the way. So it's the best we can do. And we got these all sealed up. All right, so that's a wrap for today.
Several long days later.
All right, it's been about 4 days. We're back here with Jeff. We're gonna go ahead and do an inspection, not seeing any activity in the pantry where we set those 2 traps. So let's go see if we can track down the tracking powder. Maybe they hit the bait box, but unfortunately, didn't see anything because somebody hit the camera. Don't know how. Same spot, yep. This one here.
A little bit.
Maybe
they moved it a little bit.
No, nothing. Pull one of our traps. Top one, yeah.
Okay, so is it still bad?
No, there's no activity. And there's no activity in the box. See, the tracking powder's still in place.
Okay.
So it's,
Have you heard anything?
I haven't heard anything.
The tenant said it's
I don't
been
have
quiet.
problems with it, yeah.
It's looking good, Jeff.
Yeah, I'll come in there in a minute.
Yeah, take your time. But, you know, it's been, what, 4 days or so, 5 days, and hasn't been no activity whatsoever. Oh, is this all the repellent that you bought?
Yeah.
Vamoose. I knew it was gonna be vamoose. Everybody, I've seen a lot of homeowners buying this.
Yeah.
You went all out, Jeff.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, this just doesn't work. So far, we're gonna leave the cameras for another, 7 to 8 days, Jeff.
Okay, that's
But
fine.
as of right now, you're rat free. We sealed up all the major holes, but I'll leave this bait box here with the camera. The trap will continue to monitor.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you spent $200 on this, take it back. I'd rather you go buy a steak dinner somewhere
Yeah, me too.
than spray that repellent that's worthless. All right, well, it's been several months. Jeff is rat-free, and I'm so glad that we were able to come into his life and actually make a difference because he surely deserved it. And Jeff, this deserves the rat dance.